Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
This is your allegations are in respect of the fact that it may be a collusion between INEC and a political party. Is that what you're saying?
It is not an assumption. It is not an allegation. It's a statement of fact that I have proven to you with documents.
No,
I have given you more than 15 documents this evening. If you want to show Nigerians, let Nigerians see all the documents I've shown you. The last one I showed you, show Nigerians and let people see. The documents don't lie. Documents don't lie. See, look at the kind of results. Look at the cancellation. Look at the correction.
Is it the original result that has been taken for the collation?
This is what we have on the RF. This is what was posted on the RF. This is the original result that we were given.
Your party agents have.
Oh, we have all this, and it's not. You go yourself as you are sitting here.
No,
somebody to check it.
Yeah, we're checking.
They are the ones there, and it is on this mutilated result, on this cancellated result, that the stooge of Yaya Bello was declared. It is based on this fraud that it was declared, and INEC is aware. INEC knew that 5 local government results were written before the election. And that spread is not only to those 5 local governments, it's across the state. 17 local governments in Kogi State have overvoted. 17.
Senator Melaye, have you officially communicated this grievance to INEC?
We have submitted our petition to INEC with evidence this afternoon.
So what is your next line of action?
Our next line of action is that INEC have 7 days to review petitions. So we are waiting to see what they will do. But this one, we will see the